Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and we're gonna start the Christmas season. And I'm gonna start off by drawing Frosty. I'm using this marker. It's just a Crayola brand marker. It's step by step, so this is for beginners. Follow along with me, or you can watch. Really quick though. It's gonna be like a few minutes, like maybe 3-4 minutes. So stick with me all the way to the end, and I'll have an announcement at the end. So let's get going. Let's draw a circle. Like the bottom end of a circle for the head, Frosty's head. Pull this over his hat for his, obviously brim of his hat. This is where the brim, you can see the underneath of the brim. Top of the brim of the hat, just the same shape, overlapped again. Square for the top hat. A line for kind of like at least some design on the hat. Down here he's going to have a scarf, so I'm literally just drawing 2 lines overlapping. Bottom circle for his bottom of his body. Buttons on the front of his, shirt or whatever you call it, himself. Stick, 2 sticks for his hands. There are 3 little nubs for his hands. Circle. Circle. Tiny little nose. And draw a coal for his mouth. I'm gonna put across that for the highlight in his eyes, to look cute. And that's pretty much it, unless you want to draw a design on the scarf. Very easy, simple, Frosty the Snowman. Is there a request you guys have for Christmas? Because it's the Christmas season, so I'm going to draw a lot of Christmas stuff for the month. Check it out. I'm going to try to update every single day. And that's pretty much it. Oh, one more thing. If you guys like drawing cute, if you want to cutify any single drawing that you have, go to the description. I'm going to put a free How to Draw Cute ebook. Go get that ebook. It's free. I think it's like 10 pages. Really a lot of info. Other than that, just subscribe, share, and hit that like button. So talk to you guys in the next video.